Hello again, my name is Jason Pica, and in this training video, I'm going to show you how to log into our network, the SCRSD domain, on a Windows 7 client. Before we begin, I would like to clarify that I'm going to cover every login scenario that you may encounter. This way, you'll be able to successfully log into any Windows 7 client on our network. Okay, let's begin. As you can see, I was the last user to log into this machine. At this point, I can simply enter my password to log into the network with my user. However, in order to log into the network as a different user, you need to click the Switch User button. This will take you to another screen with two options. The first option is the current user, which will take you back to the previous screen. The second option, Other User, will take you to a login prompt where you can enter your login credentials. Now we are at a login screen that most of us should be familiar with. The first box, Username, is where you enter your login credentials. I would like to point out the proper syntax for our usernames is usually firstname.lastname, such as John.Doe, or less common, first initial of your first name and then last name, such as J.Doe. It is important to remember that all that is required for this field is your login credential, such as John.Doe, which means you should never have to append any additional data to your username, such as John.Doe at scrsd.net, and doing so can cause login problems. Now on to the second field, Password, where you simply enter your password. Here I would like to address the importance of password security. It is highly recommended that you only use passwords that are secure and that only we know. This is critical for security of your data and our respective network. Lastly, I would like to briefly discuss the Logon To field. It should have our network, SCRSD, listed as the login domain. If so, then there is no need to change this field. Now that we're more familiar with the different Windows 7 login screens and the best practices to securely log into their SCRSD network, I'll log in now with my test credentials, John.Doe. Please understand that login times may vary, depending on the user and the settings and resources being deployed from the network. Also note that your password is case sensitive. Okay, I've successfully authenticated and am now at my desktop where we can access our respective resources. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for your time and consideration. Once again, please direct any training ideas or needs you may have to ithelp@scrsd.org. Thank you.